Refusing a request from New Haven's mayor to help house first responders during this health crisis, Yale will now make their dorms available. The change came shortly after another local campus offered to help out. Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland is live right now in New Haven with more details on this story for us tonight. Hi, Matt.
Hi there, Mark. Well, the University of New Haven says they will have rooms ready for New Haven's first responders at some point this week. The city says that school really stepped up after Yale, its closest neighbor, originally said no. With the coronavirus keeping college kids from returning to campus, some dorm rooms at the University of New Haven will soon be housing firefighters and police officers from the Elm City.
They're putting their lives on the line for us every day. So our president, Steve Kaplan, took about 5 minutes to say yes.
According to UNH, New Haven Mayor Justin Elicker asked for 160 beds. He'd been looking for dorm rooms to house its officers in order to keep them and their families safe should anyone be exposed and they can't return home. The city says it's had a handful of first responders or their family members test positive or show symptoms.
UNH has rolled out the red carpet for us,
which apparently was a far different take from New Haven's closest neighbor, Yale. Last week, the Ivy League school announced a $5 million Yale Community for New Haven fund to help the city. But on Friday, Elicker told reporters that wasn't his request. He first reached out to the school about rooms and says he was told no.
If your house was burning down and you asked a neighbor if your kids could stay at their house, and your neighbor said no, but here's a check so you can stay at the Econo Lodge across town, what would that tell you about your neighbor?
After first saying its dorm room still had students' belongings in it, over the weekend, Yale did an about-face. Its president saying 300 beds would soon be available for first responders and hospital staff. Now more than ever, Yale and City Hall need to be on the same page. I know how committed all of us across the city and the university are to implementing an effective response to COVID-19. And I will do all I can to support this shared work. The city says it's still focusing on its original plan with UNH, but the mayor added it's good to know additional rooms are available if needed. Meanwhile, UNH, which over the years has developed a reputation of educating those interested in law enforcement and fire safety careers, say this was a natural fit.
To be able to provide space in this incredible time of need was really gratifying to the university to be able to do so.
And during today's press briefing, New Haven Mayor Justin Elicker said he's grateful for the University of New Haven, but he says they hope to sign off on the final process very soon and get those first responders in that room. We're live with the mobile newsroom in New Haven. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Alrighty, good for UNH.